I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about eukaryotic cell. Okay. In the previous video we had already discussed about prokaryotic cell. Okay. Let's see about eukaryotic cell. Okay. Eukaryotic cell. It is derived from an Greek word. Okay, a Greek word that is U plus carrion. Okay. Here U it means you can say well. Okay. Well. Okay. And karyons it means nucleus. From the Greek word, it is clear that cell which have well organized nucleus is called eukaryotic cell. Okay. So here we can write our first point that those cells in which organized nucleus are present. Okay. So those cells in which organized nucleus are present. Okay. It's called prokaryotic cell. And in eukaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelles are present. Okay. In eukaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosome, ribosome, etc. Okay, are present. Okay, and in a prokaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, okay, are present. Okay, but in a prokaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelles are absent. Okay, and also in a prokaryotic cell, the well organized nucleus is absent. Okay, but nucleus like nucleoid are present. Okay. Example of eukaryotic cell like plants, animals, okay, etc. Fungi. Okay. So in a eukaryotic cell, organized nucleus are present, or we can say true nucleus are present. Okay. And membrane bounded organelles are also present. Okay, membrane bounded organelle like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome. Okay, so in eukaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelles are also present. Okay, For example, we can say plants, animals, fungi. So this is all about the eukaryotic cell. Now let's see difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay. Difference between prokaryotic cell and now let's see difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay. So first character prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay. So now let's see. Our first character is nuclear membrane. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, nuclear membrane are absent. Okay. Or okay. In a prokaryotic cell, nuclear membrane are absent, but in eukaryotic cell, present. Okay. And in a eukaryotic cell, nuclear membrane are present. Okay. And in double envelope. Okay. So this is our first character. Character is nuclear membrane. Okay. And in a prokaryotic cell, the nuclear membrane are absent. Okay. And in eukaryotic cell, the nuclear membrane are present. Okay. And even in double envelope. Okay. Now let's see our second character. That is nucleus. Okay. So as we know well, in a prokaryotic cell, well-organized nucleus are absent. Okay. But nucleus like nuclei are present. Okay. Nucleus absent in prokaryotic cell. Nuclei are absent. Okay. But nucleus like nuclei are present. Okay. In the prokaryotic cell, nucleus are absent. Okay. True nucleus are absent, but nucleus like nuclei are present. Okay. That nuclei nuclei play the role of nucleus in the prokaryotic cell. Okay. And in eukaryotic cell, we can write well organized. In prokaryotic cell, we can write well organized. Well organized. Okay. And in eukaryotic cell, well organized nuclei are present. Okay. Now let's see our first character, that is cell organelle. This one is our third character. As we know well, in a prokaryotic cell, membrane-bounded organelles are absent. Okay. Membrane-bounded organelles are absent. And in a eukaryotic cell, are present. Okay. So our third character is that cell organelles. Okay. So as we know well, in a prokaryotic cell, the membrane-bounded organelles are absent. Okay, like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, these are absent. Okay, but in a eukaryotic cell, the membrane-bounded organelles are present. Okay. Now let's see about ribosome. Okay. Our fourth character is ribosomes. Okay. So in ribosomes is the protein factory of the cell. Okay. Ribosomes are called the protein factory of the cell. Okay. Of the cell. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, 70S ribosome are present. Okay. In a prokaryotic cell, 70S ribosomes are present. Okay. The smaller subunit is of 30S. Okay. And the larger subunit is 50S. Okay. This is 50S. And the smallest subunit is our 30S. Okay. The smaller unit is our 30S. Okay. Here S is our subunit. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, the 70S ribosomes are present. Okay. And but in a eukaryotic cell, 80s ribosomes in the cytoplasm and 70s in mitochondria and plastid. Okay. And in eukaryotic cell, 80s ribosomes are present. Okay, in cytoplasm. Okay, but in mitochondria and plastid, there is 70s ribosomes are present. Okay. And here, the largest subunit of ATS is of 40 S, and the smallest subunit of ATS ribosome is our, this one is our smallest smaller subunit. Okay. Is of 40S and the larger subunit is of 60S. Okay. This one is all about the 80S ribosomes. Okay. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, the 70S ribosomes are present, but in a eukaryotic cell, 80S ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm and 70S ribosomes are present in the mitochondria and plastid. Okay. And the largest subunit of 80S ribosomes is 60S. Okay. And the smaller unit of 80S ribosomes is 40. Okay. And the smaller unit of 70S ribosome is our 30S, and the largest subunit of 70S is our 50S. Okay, so this is all about the ribosome. Okay, now let's see our fifth character, that is cell wall. Okay, so in a prokaryotic cell, cell wall are present. Okay, present and made up of peptidoglycan or numeric acid, or okay, or mycopeptide. Okay, mycopeptide. Okay, so in the prokaryotic cells, cell wall are present. Okay, but they are made up of peptidoglycan or numeric acid, or we can say murin or mucopeptide. Okay, and in a eukaryotic cell, cell wall are present, but only in plant cell. Okay. And in eukaryotic cell present in plant cell. Okay. Plant cell and made up of cellulose or chitin. Okay. And in eukaryotic cells, are present, but only in plant cell. Okay. And made up of cellulose or chitin. Okay. Generally, chitin are present in the fungi. Okay. So I hope you understand this character, that is cell wall. Okay. Now let's see our sixth character, that is cell division. Okay. Cell division. Okay. In a prokaryotic cell, cells are divided by amitosis. Okay. Amitosis. Amitosis only considered as okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, only amitosis only considered as a cell division. Okay. But in a eukaryotic cell, mitosis, both cell are divided by both process. By both mitosis or mitosis and meiosis. Okay. So in a eukaryotic cell, cells are divided by both process, mitosis or meiosis. Okay. Now let's move to our next character, that is vacuole. Okay. Our seventh character is vacuole. Okay. In a prokaryotic cell, vacuoles are generally absent. Okay. But sometimes gas vacuole present in prokaryotic cell. Okay. Absent, but sometimes gas vacuole is present in okay. In a prokaryotic cell, generally vacuoles are absent, but sometime gas vacuole are present is present in the prokaryotic cell. Okay. And in a eukaryotic cell, vacuole present only in plant cell, okay, which store wastage material, okay, waste material. And in a eukaryotic cell, present only in plant cell, which store wastage, okay. And in a eukaryotic cell, vacuole are present only in the plant cell, okay, which store the metabolic wastage, okay, of the plant cell, okay. So I hope you understand our seventh character, that is about vacuole, okay. Now let's see examples. Okay. So in a prokaryotic cell, we can write cyanobacteria, eubacteria, mycobacteria, blue-green algae, okay. etc. There are many examples of prokaryotic cell, okay. And in eukaryotic cells, we can write here plants, all plants, and animals, including humans, okay. So there's the examples of the both cells, okay. That first one is our prokaryotic cell, cyanobacteria, eubacteria, blue-green algae, etc. And eukaryotic cell, that is all plants and animals, including us, okay, human being. So I hope you understand all the differences. That our first difference is related to the nuclear membrane. After that, nucleus, cell wall, cell organelle, ribosome, and about cell wall, cell division, vacuole. Okay. So I hope you also understand that about the eukaryotic cell. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.